Hello everyone, my name is Shankar Ankush. I'm a student of English department. My unique code number is 2017. My topic for this assignment is critical views on Right You Are. Right You Are is the name of the play of Luigi Pirandello. So I would like to introduce Luigi Pirandello. He is a playwright from Italy. He was born in 1867 in Girgenti, Agrigento, on the island of Sicily. His parents were Stefano Pirandello and Caterina Ricci Gramiti. Up to the age of 19, he completed his school education and worked in sulfur mines. Then he entered the University of Rome and completed his doctoral thesis in Roman philosophy in Bonn University. Uh, Afterwards, he married with Antonito Portulano, the daughter of his father's business partner in sulfur mines. He worked as a teacher in normal college for women in Rome for 24 years. Pirandello wrote many novels, hundreds of short stories, 40 plays, and many poems. He got Nobel Prize in 1934. It was stated that his magical power to turn psychological analysis into good theater. Pirandello died on 10th December 1936. So, the plot summary of the play Right You Are, if you think so, if you think you are, is the story moves around three major characters. First one is Mr. Ponza or Signor Ponza. Second one is Lady Frola or Signora Frola. And third character, which appears at the last moment of the play, uh, is Mr. Ponza's wife and Lady Frola's daughter. Apart from these, there are many characters. The story is about the relationship between these characters according to their lives they have been living. There are many rumors about their lives. Agazi goes to perfect to bring out the truth. Lamberto Loadici defends the new arrivals from the curiosity. There are so many curious moments which prompts to the characters and as well as the audiences to find out what is happening on the stage. Mr. Ponza and Lady Frola considers each other insane. The townspeople are stunned but reassured by the revelation of their truth. Agazi arranges a meeting between Ponza and Frola, which resulted in scenes of frenzied violence. A last act finds Ponza's wife in Agazi's asylum. She says that I am here, that to be one, that all to be believed. Lord is he laughs and he asks for the happiness of other people. We have major and minor characters there. Major characters are Signor Ponza and Signora Frola. Apart from them, Lamberto Lodici, Amelia, Agazi, Dina, Signora and Signora Cirelli, Signora Cini, Perfect, and Century. These are the major minor characters around these two major characters. As I said that my topic is about the critical views on Right You Are. Right You Are is the name of the play written by Luigi Pirandello. We have four different views. First one is Morris Slovinski's as written here, human insatiable curiosity. Uh, as we know that he says it is a philosophical play, powerful subversion of the conventions of bourgeois drama. It is about gender role and female sexuality. It's about the conflicting mutuality, exclusive passions, and maternal and marital possession. It's about human insatiable curiosity. The second one is Anne Helmore. She says this play is about three people: Signor Ponza, Signora Frola, and her daughter. The play Right You Are is about known to unknown. There are so many things which are to find out by the viewers, by the characters, and says it's a seizure on the social impulse. She calls it a seizure on a social impulse. There is some kind of a matrix which is to be solved by the other characters. The third one is the Dinah Kuprel. She says about truth's exclusive nature. What is truth for each and everyone? What is truth? What is reality for viewers? What is reality for the characters inside the play? So it is exclusive nature. Truth has exclusive nature, she says. As I said, what is reality? It is the most important thing. Uh, there are some basic situations created by the playwriter, which are which travels from known to unknown. Bonnie Miranka says the community projects to its own scenario. So, what kind of situation is there? The play within play. Uh, so the community decides what kind of scenario they want, or it wants. The third one is the Jerome Marazzo. He says credibly incredible. David Harper said logically incompatible statements cannot be simultaneously true. The narrator is intended to be uncredible. He must be seen as credibly incredible. So we know that these are the four critical views which I wanted to discuss about this play, about this drama. So I'm near to the conclusion. Pirandello calls this play parable. Parable is a short moral story. Right, you are. It is a great piece of devilry, and it's just juxtaposition of known to lesser known. So as I said, that it is finding out the truth, what is happening with the characters and with the viewers also. So there are so many parables uh, told by Christ during his journey of life, but this parable, this play, just opposed to the parables of Christ. So this that's it that I wanted to mm, discuss here. Thank you each and everyone.